Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from vintage survivors to budget-friendly project bikes. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $7,000, Allen, Texas. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead represents one of the most iconic eras of American V-twin motorcycles, known for its raw mechanical feel and unmistakable road presence. This particular example has been rebuilt, making it a strong running machine that's ready to be enjoyed without the typical concerns associated with older Harley projects. Finished in white, it carries a clean yet classic look, while still retaining the rugged character that defines the Shovelhead lineage. The seller notes that it runs and rides great, suggesting it's well sorted for real-world use, whether for weekend cruising or longer highway rides. With continued demand for vintage Harley-Davidson models and the added appeal of a running, rebuilt platform, this bike offers both riding enjoyment and solid long-term value for enthusiasts. Number 2. 1973 Honda CB350 Twin, $3,000, Gulf Breeze, Florida. The 1973 Honda CB350 Twin is a standout example of Honda's highly respected small displacement lineup, offering a balance of reliability, ease of use, and timeless styling. This bike is described as ready to ride, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to jump into vintage motorcycling without extensive setup or restoration work. The carburetors were cleaned about 6 months ago and have been properly maintained since, helping ensure consistent starting and smooth operation even after periods of sitting. While the exact mileage is unknown due to replaced gauges, the bike continues to perform well and comes with a clean Florida title. Its lightweight feel and approachable power make it especially well suited for city riding or relaxed cruising, while its growing popularity keeps it relevant among collectors and casual riders alike. Number 3. 1976 BMW R75/6, $5,500, Birmingham, Alabama. This 1976 BMW R75/6 is a classic example of the brand's durable and well-engineered Airhead series, powered by an original 750cc boxer twin engine. What makes this bike particularly appealing is its originality, as it remains in stock condition and has not been restored, something that is increasingly valued among collectors. At around 50 years old, it reflects honest wear while still maintaining the solid build quality that BMW motorcycles are known for. The R75/6 delivers a smooth and stable riding experience, making it suitable for both casual rides and longer-distance touring. As interest in vintage BMW models continues to grow, especially unmodified examples, this motorcycle stands out as a strong candidate for those seeking authenticity, reliability, and long-term collectible appeal. Number 4. 1972 Yamaha 250 DS7, $3,500, Belleville, Illinois. The 1972 Yamaha 250 DS7 is a lightweight two-stroke street bike that captures the lively and energetic nature of early 1970s Japanese performance machines. Known for its quick revving engine and responsive handling, the DS7 offers a fun and engaging riding experience that's perfect for around-town use or casual weekend rides. This example is finished in gold and is reported to run and ride exceptionally well, making it a ready-to-enjoy vintage motorcycle. It also comes with a service manual and poster, adding an extra layer of appeal for enthusiasts who appreciate original documentation and memorabilia. With its combination of performance, simplicity, and increasing rarity, the DS7 remains a desirable option for collectors and riders looking for a distinctive two-stroke classic. Number 5. 1971 Triumph T100R Daytona, $4,000, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The 1971 Triumph T100R Daytona is a well-known British twin that blends classic styling with a spirited and engaging riding experience. Powered by a responsive engine, this model is appreciated for its lively performance and unmistakable exhaust note that defines vintage Triumph motorcycles. This particular example is described as running extremely strong, indicating it has been well maintained and is ready for immediate use. It also features brand new tires and tubes, adding to its overall road readiness and reliability. With no additional work needed, it presents a convenient option for riders who want a vintage bike that can be enjoyed right away. As interest in classic British motorcycles remains strong, the T100R Daytona continues to hold its place as a desirable and character-filled machine for both riders and collectors. Number 6. 1972 Suzuki GT550, $3,000, Taylors, South Carolina. The 1972 Suzuki GT550 is a classic two-stroke triple that represents an exciting era of performance-focused Japanese engineering, known for its smooth power delivery and distinctive exhaust note. This early model example is offered as a project, with the engine turning over freely by hand, an encouraging sign for restoration potential. The bike appears mostly complete, making it a solid foundation for a vintage rebuild or a custom two-stroke project. Notable updates include a front disc brake conversion and new tires, both of which add value and usability once the bike is fully sorted. The inclusion of the original toolkit further enhances its appeal to enthusiasts who appreciate completeness. With rising interest in vintage two-stroke machines, this GT550 presents an accessible opportunity to own and restore a unique piece of motorcycling history. Number 7. 1972 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $6,400, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1972 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is a legendary Italian touring motorcycle powered by an 850cc V-twin engine known for its durability and distinctive character. This example has recently received important servicing, including a head retorque, valve adjustment, and new Pirelli tires, helping ensure it remains a reliable and enjoyable rider. The seller notes that it completed a 1,000-mile mountain trip last fall, highlighting its real-world capability and touring readiness. Finished in black with visible patina, it carries an authentic vintage presence that reflects its age while adding to its charm. The Eldorado is well known for its strong, steady performance and unique riding feel, often described as powerful yet relaxed. With a title and registration in place, this bike offers a compelling combination of usability, history, and classic European character. Number 8. 1967 Kawasaki 350 Avenger, $4,900, Carriere, Mississippi. This 1967 Kawasaki 350 Avenger is a fully restored two-stroke classic that showcases the brand's early performance heritage. With just under 16,000 miles, this example has undergone a complete frame-up restoration with over $6,000 invested, along with significant time and effort to bring it back to a high standard. The result is a clean and well-presented vintage motorcycle that stands out among early Kawasaki models. Known for its lightweight design and responsive engine, the Avenger delivers a lively and engaging ride that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Despite the restoration, it has seen limited use since completion, making it an excellent opportunity for someone looking for a finished classic that's ready to be enjoyed. As early Kawasaki two-strokes continue to gain attention, this bike represents both historical significance and strong collector interest. Number 9. 1961 Sparta Brommerfeets, $4,500, Belton, Texas. The 1961 Sparta Brommerfeets is a rare and highly collectible European moped imported from the Netherlands and carrying a well-documented ownership history. Purchased directly from the original owner and brought to the United States about a decade ago, this example remains in excellent original condition, showcasing careful preservation over its 65-year lifespan. It is complete and well-maintained, although currently stored with the fuel system drained, meaning it will require light recommissioning, such as a carburetor cleaning, a new float valve, and a spark plug to return to running condition. Prior to storage, it was reported to run strong, further supporting its overall mechanical integrity. With its rarity in the U.S. market and increasing demand for unique European vintage machines, this Sparta presents a standout opportunity for collectors seeking something truly uncommon. Number 10. 1982 Suzuki GS750T, $2,850, Xenia, Ohio. The 1982 Suzuki GS750T is a classic inline-4 cruiser that reflects the smooth performance and reliability Suzuki was known for during the early 1980s. Powered by a 750cc engine, it offers a balanced combination of power and comfort, making it suitable for both casual cruising and longer rides. This example shows just over 10,400 miles and has recently received key maintenance updates, including brand new tires, a new battery, and a fresh oil change, ensuring it's ready for the road. Finished in burgundy, it maintains a clean and classic appearance that fits well within its era. As a locally sold bike with a known background, it adds an extra layer of authenticity. For riders seeking an affordable and dependable vintage motorcycle with smooth inline-4 performance, this GS750T stands out as a practical and appealing option. Number 11. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120, $8,500, Waterford, Michigan. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120 stands as one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its balanced performance and timeless styling. This example underwent a full restoration in 2011 and has seen only about 1,300 miles since, bringing the total mileage to approximately 3,300 miles. The limited use following restoration suggests it has been carefully preserved while remaining in excellent running condition. Finished in red, it captures the classic Bonneville look that continues to attract enthusiasts worldwide. The bike is described as starting, running, and riding great, making it a turnkey option for collectors or riders seeking a fully sorted vintage British twin. With strong demand for properly restored Bonnevilles, this T120 represents both a high-quality example and a solid long-term investment. Number 12. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,750, Dover, Ohio. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 is a highly regarded middleweight classic that delivers strong inline-4 performance in a lighter and more agile package compared to larger bikes of its era. With just over 18,000 original miles, this example is becoming increasingly hard to find in clean condition. Finished in red, it showcases the classic late 1970s styling defined by chrome accents and a muscular stance. Powered by a 652cc air-cooled engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, it offers a smooth yet responsive riding experience that still holds up well today. Known for its reliability and balanced handling, the KZ650 remains a favorite among riders who want vintage performance without excessive weight. As interest in 1970s Japanese motorcycles continues to grow, this bike stands out as a practical and desirable classic. Number 13. 1974 Harley-Davidson XLH Iron Head, $6,899, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1974 Harley-Davidson XLH Iron Head Sportster is a beautifully restored example from the AMF era, showcasing the raw character and mechanical simplicity that define these classic machines. Notably, this model represents the final year for the right-side shifter, adding a unique historical detail that collectors appreciate. The bike has undergone extensive restoration work, including new tires, rebuilt brakes, updated bearings, fresh fluids, and numerous refinished original components, such as polished aluminum forks and wheels. It also features an S&S Super E carburetor, enhancing performance and reliability. The custom-painted tank with detailed pinstriping adds a distinctive visual touch while maintaining period-correct styling. With its combination of originality, thoughtful upgrades, and strong presentation, this Iron Head offers both authenticity and usability for enthusiasts seeking a classic Harley with presence. Number 14. 1972 Suzuki TC90, $1,700, Grand Rapids, Michigan. The 1972 Suzuki TC90 is a compact and versatile dual-range motorcycle that reflects the practical and innovative approach of early 1970s Japanese engineering. This example is described as all original and runs great, making it a solid and dependable vintage option. One of its standout features is the high and low-range transmission, allowing riders to adapt the bike for both street and light off-road use. The oil injection system is fully functional, adding convenience compared to traditional pre-mixed two-strokes. With a new battery, good condition tires, and all lights working properly, it presents itself as a ready-to-ride machine. Lightweight, simple, and increasingly hard to find in original condition, the TC90 is an appealing choice for collectors or riders looking for a fun and practical vintage bike. Number 15. 1981 Yamaha Exciter SR185, $1,200, Youngstown, Ohio. The 1981 Yamaha Exciter SR185 is a lightweight and efficient vintage motorcycle that offers simplicity, reliability, and everyday usability. Powered by a 185cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, it delivers smooth and predictable performance ideal for city riding and casual cruising. This example shows just over 2,400 original miles and has been well maintained, with recent updates including a new carburetor, throttle assembly, newer tires, and a fresh oil change. It continues to be ridden regularly, indicating strong running condition and dependable operation. With a comfortable cruising capability and responsive handling, the SR185 remains a practical choice for riders seeking an easy-to-own vintage bike. Its low mileage, clean title, and affordable price point make it an excellent entry into classic motorcycling. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycles for sale across the U.S.